Kelly Renee Turner, 43, said her little girl was suffering from a rare intestinal disease and received hundreds of thousands in medical care and charitable donations, but in reality was denying her daughter treatment. Mum who faked daughter's terminal illness to get £440,000 admits causing her death. A mother who falsely claimed her daughter was ill to con well wishes out of hundreds of thousands in donations has admitted causing her own child's death. Kelly Renee Turner, 43, pleaded guilty to felony theft, charitable fraud, and child abuse causing death in the US on Monday. Olivia died in 2017 of what her mother claimed was intestinal failure, reports People. She said her daughter, who was nicknamed Batgirl after she dressed up for a Make-A-Wish event, fell ill in 2017. Turner said her daughter was diagnosed with neuro-gastrointestinal encephalomyopathy, a rare multi-system disorder that causes the degeneration of muscles. Image: 9 News. In the weeks before her death, Turner put her daughter in hospice care and insisted her health and quality of life was so poor she should be withdrawn from medical treatment and allowed to die peacefully under a Do Not Resuscitate order. Authorities say Turner was allegedly abusing Olivia and her older sister by registering false health complaints, leading to them having unnecessary medical procedures. She launched a GoFundMe page that raised nearly £17,000, where she described her daughter as being born prematurely and suffered with autism, seizure disorder, a tumor and developmental delays. Image: Denver Police. The GoFundMe page states, "We are hoping for support both financially, spiritually, and emotionally. Not only will this be a taxing time for Kelly, mom, and Olivia, but for Olivia's sisters and the friends and family who are willing to step in and help during this time." The page caught the attention of the media and charities who donated gifts to support the family, including a police ride-along and trip to meet firefighters, as requested on Olivia's bucket list of things to do before she died. Her death came under scrutiny in 2018, after Turner brought her other daughter to hospital saying she was suffering from bone pain from cancer, according to an indictment reported by CNN. Image: 9 News. Olivia's body was exhumed and an autopsy showed there was no evidence that she died of intestinal failure. Although Olivia's cause of death was unclear, the indictment claimed Turner stopped her daughter's medical care, allowing her to die. Several of the girl's doctors told investigators they did not believe Olivia's illness was terminal. Overall, Turner banked nearly £444,000 in Medicaid benefits and charitable donations, despite her husband working for a company that should have paid health insurance for his children. Court records show she was previously charged with first-degree murder, attempting to influence a public servant, and second-degree forgery. She did not plead guilty to those offenses, which were later dismissed under a plea agreement.